But see how quickly it's able to actually identify these bacteria?
The job of research analyst Erica Phillips at UK's Veterinary Diagnostic Laboratory got a big boost with the addition of this machine to the laboratory. The matrix-assisted laser desorption ionization biotyper, or MALDI for short. The MALDI identifies the unique molecular fingerprint of an organism using mass spectrometry, which for Phillips allows her to notify veterinarians of a problem more quickly than before.
This is so much better for the practitioner because they can go ahead and know what we're looking at, what we think is significant. Yeah, we might have things pop up at 48 hours, but we know this is here. Go ahead and start treating it, as you would normally for this particular bacteria.
The MALDI biotyper measures highly abundant proteins that are found in all microorganisms. The characteristic patterns of the proteins are used to reliably and accurately identify a particular microorganism by matching the respective pattern with an extensive database maintained by Bruker, the manufacturer of MALDI, to determine the identity of the microorganism down to the species level.
And because this is specific to what type of bacteria are in the database. I mean, we're the horse capital of the world. So what we see in our lab is not necessarily what they see in California or what they see in Europe. So we will save anything that we think needs to be added and then just kind of keep adding to Bruker's database so that we can more readily identify what's important to us.
The cost of the machine is around $200,000, and officials at UK's Veterinary Diagnostic Laboratory say it's a game changer in that it may save one animal's life or a whole herd.
Basically, the client or the veterinarian gets the answer in very short period of time, and then find out what kind of drugs he or she should be using. Certainly may save the animal and may save the remaining animal in the herd.
It helps our clientele, and yes, it truly does make our job easier. And quicker, much quicker.
Yeah.
That's the bottom line.
Animal health and well-being is part of the One Health initiative at the Veterinary Diagnostic Laboratory, which this technology will enable their scientists to maintain. From the University of Kentucky College of Agriculture, Food and Environment, I'm Jeff Franklin reporting.